Information about Aesculus indica. Aesculus indica, commonly known as the Indian horse chestnut or Himalayan horse chestnut, is a tree species belonging to the family Sapindaceae. It is native to the Himalayas and is found in the northwestern regions of India, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. The Indian horse chestnut is a medium-sized deciduous tree that can grow up to 25 meters in height. It has a straight trunk, a broad and round crown, and its bark is grayish-brown and rough. The leaves are large, palmately compound, and arranged in opposite pairs. The flowers are white or pink and arranged in large, showy panicles that bloom in early summer. The fruit is a spiny capsule that contains one or two large seeds. The seeds of the Indian horse chestnut have been used in traditional medicine for their anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. They contain essin, a natural compound that is used to treat varicose veins, edema, and other conditions related to poor circulation. The bark of the tree is also used in traditional medicine for its astringent and antipyretic properties. In landscaping, the Indian horse chestnut is valued for its attractive foliage and showy flowers. It is often planted as an ornamental tree in parks, gardens, and along roadsides. However, it can be a somewhat messy tree, dropping leaves, twigs, and fruit throughout the year.